How to get rich online. Getting rich online can be a daunting task for many, but with the right strategy and dedication, it is possible to achieve financial success. In this article, we will discuss what it takes to get rich online, as well as the potential benefits that come along with it. Whether you want to start a blog, create an online store, or write ebooks, there are plenty of ways to create an online income stream. You just need to identify what works best for you and take action on it. With the right knowledge and expertise, you can develop multiple streams of income that can help you achieve financial freedom without having to leave your home. To help you get started, here are the 3 essential components of an effective online wealth building strategy: creating a plan, finding the right tools and resources, and staying motivated. With these elements in place, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful online wealth building plan. Social media and technology have revolutionized the way businesses operate and engage with their customers. With the right strategies, companies can leverage these tools to maximize profits and grow their business. From optimizing social media campaigns to leveraging AI-powered customer service tools, there are a variety of ways businesses can use social media and technology to increase profits. Are you looking for ways to get rich quickly and sustainably? You're not alone. Everyone dreams of achieving financial success, but few know how to get there. The good news is that with a little bit of effort and the right strategies, you can achieve your goal of becoming wealthy. From investing in yourself to diversifying your investments, these tips will help you build wealth over time and gain financial freedom.